Tropius. Are you kidding me? Kingdra though. Got a Steelix Prime in my first pack. It's number 3 out of all the ones I have.
Got a Fearow. Weasel, Stampmade, Larvitar. Apalm, Interviewer's Questions. Life Herb. And Fearow.
Alright. Inky, Weedle, Onyx, Squirtle, Wartortle, Minim, Larvitar. I got 2 of these now. Trade them out.
I needed a Misdreavus for my Miss Maganus, and my reverse holo is Wartortle. Nice. And my holo is Metagross. Second one of him.
Except I have one.
I don't know.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ooh, that looks like a good one. It's kind of reverse holo pulls. Tauros, Matang, Larvitar, Turtwig. I'm pretty happy about that. I've been eating him. Cherim, Poliwhirl, Weasel, Wartortle. Some pretty nice pull. Super Scoop Up, Interviews Questions, and my favorite pull, Rare Candy. My favorite reverse holo pull. That's not rare. My rare pulls, I got 2 Fearows. I don't really need him, but nah. Ursaring, Lantern Reverse Holo, just a regular. Crobat, Miss Maganus Holo, the second one of them. Metagross Holo, second one. Not from this box though. Lucario, got a bunch of him. Primates with Bebop Punch. Tyranitar and a Holo Tyranitar. The Holo Dark cards look really cool. Sorry about that. Torkoal, Magmortar, which is a pretty cool card. It looks awesome. Look at it's a Holo. Ninetales, regular, Kingdra, Poliwrath, another holo, reverse holo Poliwrath, reverse holo Octillery, and Torterra. Alright, now for the exciting things. I only pulled 1 Prime, Lantern Prime. It's the one I was going for, either that or a Crobat Prime. And so I'm really happy about that. That was in my last pack I opened. And I got Legends, Raikou Suicune top, Entei Raikou bottom, and Suicune Entei bottom. And so now I think I may have the fulls of those sets. I'm going to go check and get back to y'all. Thanks for watching.